Welcome to our lecture series on real-time diagnostics and decision fusion through AI, where we delve into the innovative integration of artificial intelligence in maintenance and reliability engineering. Today, we will explore how AI can revolutionize diagnostic processes and decision-making in real-time scenarios. Our learning objectives include mastering real-time diagnostic pipelines, implementing confidence fusion techniques, practicing multi-source decision fusion, exploring dynamic thresholding methods, engaging with practical tools, and completing structured workouts. These objectives are designed to enhance your understanding and application of AI in diagnostics. Let's dive into the core diagnostic concepts, including real-time diagnostic data, decision fusion, confidence levels, and dynamic thresholding. These concepts form the foundation of effective AI-driven diagnostics, enabling precise and reliable decision-making in complex systems. We have designed hands-on workshop exercises to reinforce theoretical concepts through direct application. These include decision fusion challenges, dynamic threshold tweaking, and lubrication analysis fault isolation. Each exercise is crafted to provide practical experience and deepen your understanding of AI diagnostics. Explore real-world diagnostic scenarios where AI applications are transforming industries. From cooling loop diagnostics to pressure vessel isolation, these examples illustrate the powerful impact of AI-driven diagnostics in real-time applications, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Discover the practical implementation of C calculators, essential tools for analyzing complex diagnostic data. Learn how to open templates, adjust weights, and calculate C to interpret diagnostic results effectively. This section provides a hands-on approach to utilizing C calculators in real-world scenarios. Understand the load impact on mechanical parameters, including stiffness, damping, and inertia. These factors are crucial in optimizing system performance and ensuring accurate diagnostics. Simplified analogies will help you grasp these concepts and their significance in AI-driven diagnostics. In summary, AI fusion enhances diagnostic accuracy, delivers actionable intelligence, reduces false alarms, and empowers operators. These key takeaways highlight the transformative potential of AI in diagnostics, providing valuable insights and practical applications for industry professionals.